Section F, problem 2. Let's start. We'll start with the base on the top plane, center rectangle, give dimensions 50 and 65, then add the fillets of R6, then we can add circles on the center of these fillets. Dimension 1 of the circle is 5. Now select all the circles and make equal. Now the circle at the center is 45. You'll see why I created this circle at the center. Let's go to extrude. This is 3 mm. Then now we'll create a revolve for this feature. So select the front plane. You can section from the plane. Now create the contour on the top. This radius is given 6. This one is 9. This would be 3. And this distance from the center would be 45 by 2. And this distance from the center, it would be 7. Now this curve is left to constrain with this angle. We can give this angle from here, it would be 50 degrees. And to make this curve tangent, we can create a center line and make it tangent with it. Now everything is constrained. We can select these 3 curves to offset them. Offset is 3 mm. Make sure these are unchecked. Now the sketch is complete. We can create a center line for the revolve. You always need a center line for revolve. Let's go to revolve boss. Select the axis and the contour. Uncheck this thin feature. You can see the preview. Okay. Close the section view. This is done. Now the only thing left is chamfer on the holes. So let's add that. It is 1.5 mm. These 4 edges. And done. Now let's apply the material. Here the material is not specified in the PDF, but it is this 1023 carbon steel sheet. Apply. Let's check the mass. 75.46 and 75.46. So this is correct. Now also I will show you how you can create your own material when it is not specified. So let's say it is not specified and you are just given some density. So you can go to this custom materials, create new category, make this steel. Then in that you can add a new material, let's say custom steel. Now here you can edit this mask property, so you can change it to 7858 that is given in the question. Now you apply this material, close, let's check the mass, 75.46. So this is how you can create your own material from the given density. So this is done. Next part in the next video. Thank you.